saw you standing there. One look and my heart raced. Didn't know love could feel this real. Time slowed down somehow when your eyes met mine. Like the world faded away, leaving only you and I. The moment we met, I'll never forget. When my heart began to shake, you felt like a dream I never knew I had. And deep inside I knew this was fate. From that moment love was born. One look was all it took to know. You and I, two hearts becoming one, holding on wherever life may go. Every second by your side shows me what love can be. Through the hard days and the smiles, you're still choosing me. Time still slips away every time you look at me that way. In your arms I feel at home, no words needed, I already know. The moment we met, I'll never forget. When my heart began to shake, you came like a dream into my life. And I knew this wasn't by mistake. From that moment love was born. No fear, no doubt inside. You and I, two hearts as one, walking through this life side by side. Let the years keep moving on. This love won't fade away. Every step, every road we take, I'll choose you every day. If the world tries to pull us apart, I'll still stay the same. What we found that day we met was never just a game. The moment we met, I'll never forget how it changed my life that day. You were never just a dream, you were everything I prayed for